Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a quick and easy brow routine. If you want to see more of this, keep on. To do this, you'll be needing a brow pencil, a brown brow pencil. Yeah, I'm showing you a pencil. And you'll also be needing a concealer. Any concealer of your choice will do. But for the lower eyebrows, you will be needing a light shade, lighter than your skin. And for the upper part, you'll be needing like your foundation. Then you also need an angled brush. You'll be needing a spoolie to brush your brows, and also a fluffy brush and a beauty sponge or a beauty blender to blend your foundation. So here I'm just using my spoolie to brush my brows up, and I'm going in with my brow pencil to line my eyebrows. I'm just going with my brow shape, so I'm just trying to line the down parts, and after doing that I'm going to go to the upper part and just draw the line before filling in the brows. So here I'm just filling in my eyebrows with light strokes. So at this point you just want to go through your brows and just fill in the spaces that are empty. Yeah, that's what I'm doing here, just filling in my brows. And after that I'm going to be using a spoolie to brush it out. Yeah, I moved over to the next eyebrow to start doing it. So as you can see, I'm just repeating the same process as the other one I did. So I first of all outline the down brow before going to the up parts. Then after that I fill in the brow. That's just it. Then after filling in, you want to use a spoolie to blend it out. Okay, here I am just trying to make the front look natural, so you just want to use your spoolie to brush that out. And after that I'm going in with a concealer. Remember I told you that you should use a concealer that is lighter than your skin for the down part of your brows, just to highlight it. Yeah, just want to use a brow pencil that is lighter than your skin to highlight it. And when we started the video, you saw that my eyebrows were perfectly shaped. So if you want to see a tutorial on how to shape your eyebrows perfectly, quick and easy, just check my my videos and watch that. It's really easy to do it, and just constant practice to get used to it. So here I'm just trying to outline it. After I finish highlighting the lower part of my brows, then I'll move to the upper part with my concealer. I use the concealer. You can actually use a concealer that is your skin color, or you can just use your foundation. So here I'm using my foundation just so I can blend it with the rest of my face when I'm doing my full makeup. So here I'm just highlighting the upper part with my foundation, making sure to make it the down part smooth and also the up part smooth. So that's what I'm just doing, and I'll repeat the same thing for the other brow. After concealing both the lower part and the up part of my brows, I'll go in with a damp beauty blender. That is, I put the beauty blender in water for it to soak a little. Then I'll use it to blend out the concealer. Then I'll just blend it out so it looks natural. Because if you want to use your eyebrows like this without applying makeup, you can. So you just have to blend it very well. Yeah, here I'm just showing you how I blended it. So after that, you want to use a spoolie to brush your eyebrows. Yeah, that's what I'm just doing here. Then what I'll do next, because my face is oily, I'll use a setting powder to set my brows and the concealer. Yeah, that's what I'm just doing here, so my brows does not look oily throughout the day. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.